Welcome everyone. So in this video we will see how we can know the password of a compressed file and in which we do not know the password or we have forgotten the password or we need to crack anyone's folder. So but don't use it for illegal purpose and always ask the authorized person before cracking anyone's password. So let's begin, and before that you should download the software and which link is in the description. So it's this software, and to download you need to just click on the download full setup and it will automatically download. So I have already downloaded and I will open mine. So to open you need to go to the download section and you will see this as the downloaded file. So before installing you need to deactivate your antivirus real-time protection so that it does not bother in the installation process and the cracking process. So let's just stop this for a couple of minutes so that it did not affect our process, and now you can easily install it. After installing you need to paste the crack the file in the crack folder so that you can use the whole software, or otherwise you can purchase the software if you can. So let's open the file now or the software. So it always says this. So to terminate this you can restart the computer and then you can start. So I will now restart the computer and then I will begin in the video. Yeah, so let's proceed further. So now we need is a compressed file. So I will just make a compressed file now. So let's make the compressed file of this and add a password here, lock archive, set a password, and let's just give a simple password so that it does not take too much time. So let's make a password 9510 and encrypt file name and just click on OK. So now a zip file is created, and now let's open the software and select the file from the open. So this is the file and it has already started. So let's stop it, and here you can choose if you can guess the password or if you have some hint that what type of password it is, or if you remembers the password a little bit. So I know that it's a number password, so to save the time I will just follow up this all digits and from 4 to 6, 4 to 5, so that it does not take much time. So some of the, if your password is too long and contains too much, then it may take days to complete and or a week to complete, because what it does is hit and run method. So let's start now. Oh, go to range and then set here 0000, and now let's start. So now it has started, and let's see how much time it's take. It says that the time remaining is 1 minute approx. So let's see whether it finds the password or not. So if your password contains all capital, all small, all digits, special symbol, then it may take very much time, days to complete or weeks to complete. Yeah, so let's wait and watch. So now you can see that it is trying all the password which consists of 4-digit number, and it's trying on, and it will show the password when it is successful. So this is the way you can crack the password of a compressed folder. And I know it's won't work in all the case, but it may work if you remember the password a little bit, or if you have some hints. So let's wait. I think now it has reached our goal, 9510. Yeah, so now you can see password for this file is 9510, and you can also use this password because it's a password in what we call in the other form. Yeah, now you can see the file name. Yeah, so don't try the hexadecimal password or the hex password, and just try the password which so in this way you can brute force a password. So there's a different method: password from key, guarantee, WinZip, recovery, plain text. You can try all this on mask, dictionary, and then you can crack the password of a zip file. So you should see in the title that it's not a trial version, it's an enterprise edition. So don't use the trial version because it limits the length of a password to a 3 characters only. And if your password is longer than 3 characters, then you should use the enterprise edition. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it.